Hey, what's up guys? Today we're out here at a little fly spot by my crib. We got the Pavo 20 Pro and we're gonna be getting some packs in. Let's get right into it. All right, so we got a 550 milliamp hour battery pack loaded up in the Pavo. We're gonna fly this guy as a little warm up, throw her up on the little Launchpad so we could take off in acro. I love this guy. If you guys want one of these, I'll put a link down below to where you guys can get it, but let's get this thing up. All right, I had to move over to the front of my car because it was way too hot over there at the back of my car, but it looks like everything just linked up with the drone. Let's get her up in the air and let's go. We'll start recording and we're up. Really love the way this drone flies. It's such a smooth flying drone. It's like a little bug. You don't go anywhere you want it to go. Do anything you want it to do. And it's got some speed. That was my problem with the other Pavo. It's a cool drone, it just didn't have the power that I wished it had. This Pavo does rip through battery packs a lot faster than the old one though. Woo! Pulls out real nice and smooth. Loop this tree. Ooh, save that. Battery's getting a little low, gotta start watching that. That was rough. This line. Ooh. Ah, got him on. Over by me. A little flip. Just trying. Alright, I like that. Battery's getting real low. Let's bring this pack back. All right, so that was a pretty good warm-up pack. Feeling pretty good about the way I was flying there. I feel like I'm adding a little bit of flow. There was only a couple times there that I kind of fumbled and freaked out and had to jerk it and move it around. But loading up another one of the exact same 550 milliamp hour batteries. And let's get back up, see if I can do better. All right, we are arming. Let's start recording and we are up. Stick there. Watch the camera. Ooh. I like these trees here. Got a little split ass. That was clean. Damn. I was trying to corkscrew. Oh. Pop right up. Pavo does not care. I'll watch the battery a little bit here. Go hit the building for the one time. Oh, I gotta be careful with that. I don't want to punch out too hard there because battery's low. I'll bring that back. I don't want to damage the battery. All right, that was a pretty good battery pack we just had there with the Pavo. The wind picked up a little bit, so it was a little bit more sloppy than the first one. But as you guys can see, there's literally no damage from that little crash. Props aren't even damaged. Pavo's an absolute beast. The only thing I have done to this is the light cord came out, but I don't really care. Don't need lights on this drone. Don't matter. Pavo is an absolute beast. So we got the last battery pack here. We got the Pavo up on the launch pad. We're gonna throw her on the ground. We'll get her up. All right, everything's linked up with this pack. I'm gonna try and keep everything flowy from start to finish. I want you guys to be entertained watching this entire pack. Start recording. We're up. That was pretty garbage. Wind's kind of nasty here. Hit the building while the battery still wants smoke with it. I was gonna try and hit through that light there and I fumbled big time. Got a lot more wind now than we had when we first started here. It's a little choppy, but we hit it. Damn. And we crashed. All right, so we just went and retrieved the drone. So much for getting through the entire pack with flow. I definitely didn't do that. That was actually a pretty garbage pack. The wind picked up a lot since I started filming here. We probably got like a 10-mile-an-hour wind in here, and it's kind of garbage. The first pack was honestly probably the crispiest pack because there was like no wind and it was perfect flying weather for this drone. It kind of blew up. But that's going to be about all we got for you guys today. Hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one, and peace out.